B30 anti-burglar door. Polskone products are sold as complete sets, ready to install and adjust. Before starting the installation, you should remove packaging materials from the wing, frames, and ensure that all the pieces are in accordance with the order and that nothing is missing. The installation starts by taking the door wing off the frame. Tilt the wing a little upwards when it is open. Maintain a right angle between the wing and the frame. Disconnect the wing from the frame, sliding the hinges out of the pin hooks. Carefully put the door in a safe place. The installation begins by preparing the door opening. Remove all the dirt. Make sure the surface is smooth. Now you are ready to fix the frame. It is recommended to insulate the post base against dampness with silicone prior to the frame fixing. The frame should be put in the wall opening and positioned vertically. Maintain right angles between the jambs and the headers. In order to avoid any unwanted movement while positioning the frame, secure its jambs with wooden quoins. Next, make sure that the width is equal alongside the frame's cut. Remove door seals from the frame. Anti-burglar door frames should be installed by means of 8 screws with dowels at a distance of 440 mm. 4 screws for each jamb. Prepare holes for screws with dowels slightly at an angle in the wall, using a drill for concrete of phi 10 mm. Next, install screws with dowels of phi 10 mm by 152 mm. After installing the frame in the opening, again ensure that the width in the frame's cut is equal at all the height. Mount the door wing. Make sure that the gaps between the wing and the frame are equal, and whether the wing swings correctly in both directions. If necessary, adjust the swing on the hinges by means of the 3 mm imbus key. You may also retighten the dowels which fix the frame. The space between the wall and the frame should be packed with mineral wool for fire-resistant barriers and covered with masonry mortar. Use protective tape, which should be removed as soon as possible. Once the mortar cures, again see if the wing swings open and closes properly. Fix seals into the frame's cuts. The spots where the frame is fixed should be masked with plastic hole covers. In case of using frames adjusted to anti-burglar doors, apply silicone pointwise in several places of the milled slots, in posts and regulating panels. Fix panels and trims on the side of the regulator frame. On the hinge side of the frame, install a masking strip, also with silicone. Adjust anti-burglar screw bolts, tightening or loosening them in such a way that after closing the door, the bolts contact the pads in proper frame holes. The final step is fixing locks and the door handle. The holes needed to install the handle must be drilled through by a drill of no more than 7 mm. The lock should stay clean. Fix the shields.